Keep the equipment on. Insert the data cable and the blue USB flash drive. Open a browser on your Windows computer, type www.procolored.com to access the official Procolored website. Click on Resource and Download in the Support section. Locate the T8 printer under DTG Printers. Click on Software Download to enter the download link and freely download the software and driver files required for the download link and freely download the software and driver files required for the printer. Download the zip compressed files to your computer, then extract the files and install them. After opening the USB flash drive, install the printer driver first. Just follow the prompts to proceed to the next step. After the installation is completed, install the printing software. Follow the prompts and proceed to the next step. If there are problems such as inability to install, contact the after-sales personnel in time for assistance. After the installation is completed, open the software. Switch interface. Set the language first. And measurement units. Switch interface. Set the platform size. Select A4. Change the margin. Switch interface. Bind the printer within the software. Choose L800. Select the print curve. It affects the color of your printer. Set as default. If the DTF-T8 option does not appear, add it manually. Set as default. The software installation is completed. Send the task of cleaning the print head. The green light of the printer began to flash. The ink cart began to move. It indicates accepting instructions to start working. The green light remains on constantly, the print head stops moving, and the task is completed. Send the print head detection task. When performing this operation, the printing platform needs to enter the interior. The motorcycle will move again and then the platform will pop out. Since there is no ink installed, there will be nothing on all the platforms. At this point, all the inspections of the equipment have been completed.